Thompson Johnson is the leading material handling dealer in upstate New York, if not all of New York State. We're fortunate to represent several of the leading brands and manufacturers in the industry. Our dealership is unique because our culture really sells the deal. We're going to lift the expectations to create a great relationship and thus a fantastic partnership going forward. But one of our strengths at Thompson Johnson is long-term lease with full maintenance. Thompson Johnson has done this very well over the years because it develops a great partnership between the dealer and the customer that's based on trust. Another aspect of our sales is used equipment. Thompson Johnson has a very large rental fleet with over 300 units from all makes and models, and that allows us to have a very robust used inventory and used opportunities for our customers. The forklift trucks, the batteries, the chargers, or the leasing, we are essentially your one-stop shop for many solutions.